Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down who you're looking for. Full name, city, workplace, school, and an approximate age. Once you have those facts, open Facebook on desktop. Search is richer there. Type the full name in quotes, then add city or employer as separate filters. Make sure your own account visibility is set so results show more context, otherwise profiles may be hidden. This immediate precision prevents wasted clicks and surfaces the most likely matches fast. Once you have initial matches, refine aggressively. Select the People tab, then apply city, education, and workplace filters to trim results. Scan profile photos and mutual friends for visual confirmation. Mutuals are a strong signal. Also check groups and pages for shared memberships. Those often reveal the same person. If you don't see enough, try search operators by combining the name with a city or nickname. This layering of clues separates identical names and pinpoints the exact profile. To finish, open the candidate profile and verify details in the About section, recent posts, and tagged photos. Look for consistent locations or workplaces. Once done, send a clear, polite message if you need contact. Include context so they know who you are. If the profile is private or missing info, make sure to cross-check LinkedIn or Instagram, or ask a mutual friend to confirm. If results fail, double-check spelling and nicknames.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.